Hello, this is my part 3 of Speak and Improve. This is the question. All university students should do part-time jobs while they are studying. What are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, and what is your own opinion? It can be an advantage because for some people that don't have economical support, they have to work for survive. The disadvantage is that we don't come with enough the works and complete with all about university. And in my own opinion, I work at middle time, I work in the afternoons, so I can balance my time for do the works for the university.